In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new customer or supplier contact in Xero, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's as easy and clear as possible. Let's kick things off by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Xero accounting software login page. Once you're there, go ahead and enter your credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Xero's interface is pretty user-friendly, but today we're going to focus specifically on the Contacts tab. You'll typically find it at the top or along the side of your screen. This section is crucial because it serves as the central hub for all your customer and supplier details, essentially acting as the heart of your contacts management. Now, after you've clicked on the Contacts tab, you're going to want to look for the option labeled All Contacts. Clicking this will provide you with a comprehensive list of every contact you've already entered into Xero. However, our primary goal today is to create a brand new contact. So, direct your attention to the New Contact button and click on it. This will open up a form designed for filling out your new contact's information. This is an important step. Be as thorough as possible. You'll want to enter key details such as the contact's name, primary email address, and phone number, along with any other information that might be pertinent to your business dealings with them. In essence, the more comprehensive you are now, the smoother things will be when you need to reference this contact later on. Next, you'll encounter fields for addresses. Here, accuracy is key. Enter the billing and shipping addresses carefully. This is crucial, as it ensures that invoices and any deliveries reach the correct location without a hitch. Moving past addresses, Xero also allows you to input financial details for this contact. You can set default parameters like the currency they use, any relevant tax details, and the payment terms you've agreed upon with them. These settings can greatly simplify your financial processes. Before wrapping things up, make sure to double-check all the details you've entered to ensure they're correct. Once everything looks good, click on Save and Close. Now, here's an interesting tidbit. Xero is quite intuitive when it comes to categorizing your contacts. Based on the type of transactions, it automatically sorts them as customers, suppliers, or even both if needed. This feature really helps keep everything organized and simplifies future interactions. Of course, if you prefer to manually categorize your contact as either a customer or supplier, you can absolutely do that. Just head back to the Contacts tab and make your selection there. And just like that, you've successfully added a new contact in Xero. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this walkthrough useful, and feel free to explore the other fantastic features Xero offers to enhance your financial management.